Here's a quick review on this case here. This is the Ringke Slim. This is for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, okay? And this is basically just like hard plastic here. It comes in two pieces here, and it's hard plastic, but I mean, I bought a generic case similar, but I can tell that this one here is just really cheap. This Ringke is a little bit more quality, and you got the buttons that cover up the volume and the volume down and volume up. This cheap one here doesn't. This one, I mean, I can just tell this one's super cheap. This one's a little bit better quality here. Anyway, you can see how that looks here. And we're going to go ahead and put this on. So we're going to go ahead and pop the bottom one like this first, or just slide this in like this, and then we're going to go ahead and press down here. Just the top part right there, and the bottom part, we're going to slide this one down there like that, and then we're just going to go ahead and pop the bottom on there just like that. And you can see, like I said, you got the volume rockers cover on there. The power button here is exposed. All the cutouts are perfect on here, okay? I mean, it's definitely nice. It's not slippery either. Feels good in the hand. And in regards to wireless charging, yeah, you can wirelessly charge this no problem too. These are both Samsung chargers here, so it works on there. And of course, there's another Samsung charger here. It'll work on this one as well. The only thing is, if you have the phone like up, now it's gonna, this is the part that's gonna charge wirelessly, okay? So obviously it's gonna work on this one here. It'll work on this one, but this Samsung charger here, this dual charger here, you can do like a watch too. I mean, this one's kind of hard if you leave it open, because you kind of have to leave it on like this, the bottom half like that, okay? So this one is just easier if you just go ahead and close it like that. But anyway, yeah, decent case, inexpensive too. So there you go.